Hi guys, I'm Tabitha. Today I'm going to be telling you my thoughts and experience with this cordless leaf blower. First off, just a look at the device itself. This leaf blower is incredibly lightweight. It's very easy to handle. It comes with these two extension pieces. You can easily take these on and off with the little clip here. So you can choose if you want it to be a shorter barrel or a longer barrel. And then the trigger is a nice easy press, and you even have some control here on the top. There's a little dial that goes from level 1 up to level 5, so you can easily control how powerful it is. It does come with a single 20-volt battery and the charger for that battery. So right now, fall is beginning. We have loads and loads of leaves around our home and property, so this is going to be a perfect option to make cleanup quick and easy. I found this to be quite powerful, but still nice and comfortable to hold. It's light enough that even my 4-year-old could use this, and he absolutely loves to help out, so that is a huge plus. So here is a look at how the lower speeds, like 1 and 2, look whenever they're helping to clear leaves and debris. And then right here is a look at level 5, so you can tell the difference in power. Most of the time I'm going to keep it on level 5, but if you have a light cleanup and maybe you have an extensive amount to do, you can put it on that lower level so that your battery power will last a little bit longer. So even on a windy day like today, this still works like a charm. I'm able to clear the leaves from my yard and even from my little flower bed around my tree. Regardless of setting 1 or setting 5, this really works like a charm. It's compact, it's easy to use, and it certainly has the power to get the job done. If that's something that you are looking for, be sure to give this one a try.